So today we're introducing the ORA Dehumidifier. Getting the right humidity level is crucial to getting decent results. When room conditions are too moist, transpiration rates slow down, reducing the capacity for plants to uptake liquid. At the same time, high humidity levels leave the door open for powdery mildew and rot, two big problems that can write off entire crops. The high efficiency level of LEDs can actually make life even trickier during the winter because they produce less excess heat than HPS lighting. Lower room temps reduce the air's capacity to hold water, increasing relative humidity levels. ORA's new dehumidifier is a heavy-duty industrial-grade piece of kit that's designed to tackle the issue head-on. It can pull 2.5 litres of water from the air per hour, equivalent to 60 litres per day. It's easy to use with a simple digital display. Just choose your ideal humidity and fan setting. The storage tank holds 6 litres of water, which won't last long with this unit's level of drying power, so there's a 13mm barbed straight piece on the side to connect to. You can use the supplied 3-metre length of pipe to go from this straight piece to your reservoir, and put the water to use feeding your plants. Because it's built for industrial use, it's not the lightest unit ever, but the wheels that are mounted on the underside take the strain out of moving it around your grow space, and the carrying handles make it easy to transport. It can cover a 60 cubic metre area, but bear in mind that these numbers will change if you're running extraction. You'll naturally get the very best performance in closed loop rooms, but these units are still useful for growers running extractor systems, especially during the nighttime periods when fan outputs are at their lowest. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.